Hi, it's Bobby with Office Tracker. Today we're going to go over business scheduling procedures during COVID-19. Scheduling the maximum number of people in a space or for a specific time frame is a current concern for many businesses and organizations. Employers may be required to schedule employees in staggered shifts so that as few employees are present in the workplace as practical at any given time. Meal and break times may also need to be staggered so that few employees congregate in break rooms or elsewhere. There are several ways that Office Tracker can help you adjust your business scheduling procedures to work within the new recommended guidelines. In this video, we will briefly go over these topics. I would like to encourage you to visit our YouTube channel for in-depth video tutorials on each of these topics. In today's video, we're going to cover how to access your Office Tracker scheduler to continue scheduling when you need to work from home, how to schedule available time slots with a maximum number of names available for staggered shifts and breaks. Employees can then schedule themselves inside the events that have a maximum setting in place. How to give employees view-only access so that they may view their schedules as well as their coworkers' schedules to see who will be in the office on a given day. How to allow your employees, clients, and customers to self-schedule their appointments using the Self-Service Scheduler add-on feature. When using a current version of Office Tracker, you have the ability to continue scheduling from off-site using the web client. Your web client URL link can be located within your Office Tracker server admin page under Scheduler Setup. Make sure the ports are opened in your firewall as instructed on the setup instructions. The URL link to your web client can be located in the red dotted box on this page. Your users will be able to log in using their current username and password. Full users will be able to make changes to the schedule and create new events as usual. View-only users will still only be able to view the schedule. This will allow your employees to stay up to date and to continue scheduling appointments even when they need to work from home. Please keep in mind each user license is able to log in from up to 2 devices per day. By setting up available time slots with a maximum number of names, you can easily control the maximum number of staff in the office at a given time. An easy way to do this would be to set up reoccurring available time slots with a maximum setting in place. You'll notice here under Master Schedule, I've set up 2 reoccurring time blocks that need to be filled on this day. Each time block can have a maximum of 2 people scheduled. You'll notice this one I have already scheduled for Kimberly and Mike M. If I attempted to click on this appointment and add an additional name to it, it will give me an error alerting me that the maximum has already been reached. So if I click on the names and I attempt to add another person to the schedule, it's going to tell me that the maximum has already been reached. I do want to mention in this scenario I have set the maximum of 3 so that I could go ahead and set up these available appointment times without adding any employees to the appointments. You must have at least 1 name associated with an event in order to create the event, which is why I have added the name Master Schedule to all of my reoccurring events so that I could set up the available time blocks for employees to be scheduled later. Let's open this available appointment time and add a couple of employees to this time slot. We're going to select 1 because we only want to edit that 1 appointment time. Click on the names icon and we're going to add the employees to the event that we would like to schedule. I'm going to add Mike S. and Pat Henderson and say OK. You will see that it has now added that event to the schedule for Mike S. and Pat Henderson. By setting up your employees as view-only users, they will be able to log into Office Tracker to see who is scheduled to be in the office and from anywhere. As view-only users, they will not be able to make any changes to the schedule. This allows you to control who is scheduled and when and keeps your staff up to date. By setting up web available appointments on your schedule, your employees, customer, or clients will be able to log onto your website and schedule their own appointments from anywhere, anytime. You can set a maximum number for contacts just as you can for your staff. If you set a web available appointment with a maximum number of contacts, the end user will not see the appointment if the maximum has already been reached. Self-scheduling is an add-on to the standard software. Please contact your sales rep for a quote. To learn more about these topics or to learn what all Office Tracker can do for you, please visit our Office Tracker YouTube channel for additional in-depth video tutorials. That about covers it for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we upload a new video tutorial. These tutorials are designed to help you get the most out of your Office Tracker software. Make sure to follow us on Facebook for more handy tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!